When it comes to onboarding new hires, using the right tools can make a world of difference in your process. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to onboard new hires using Oyster, a platform designed to simplify the hiring process for global teams. With Oyster, you can streamline the entire onboarding process, ensuring that new hires feel welcomed and prepared for their role from day one. Whether you're working with remote employees or expanding your global team, Oyster allows you to onboard new hires with ease and efficiency, without all the manual work that typically comes with it. First, you'll want to start by setting up a new employee profile in Oyster. It's incredibly simple. Just add their basic information, role, and any other key details you need. Oyster makes it easy to store and manage employee data all in one place. From here, you can move forward with preparing all the documents that your new hire will need, like contracts, tax forms, and any company-specific paperwork. This is all customizable within Oyster's platform, so everything your employee needs is tailored to your company's requirements. Once the documentation is ready, Oyster allows you to send it over digitally. Your new hire can complete all forms and agreements securely online, cutting out the need for printing, scanning, and back and forth emails. This alone can save hours during your onboarding process. And since Oyster is built to handle global teams, it supports multiple languages and local compliance, ensuring that all legal requirements are met regardless of where your employees are located. Next, Oyster lets you manage the setup of accounts and access. You'll be able to assign necessary tools and resources, such as email, project management software, or team communication tools, right from the platform. This helps new hires get access to everything they need without waiting for IT or HR to manually set things up. It's all automated, reducing the manual work and speeding up the process significantly. But here's the best part. Oyster allows you to create a personalized onboarding journey for each new hire. You can create checklists of tasks that need to be completed within specific timelines. Whether it's watching training videos, completing team introductions, or getting set up with software, everything is laid out in a simple, easy-to-follow sequence. This ensures that no task gets overlooked and your new hire stays on track. Oyster also allows you to track progress and check in with your new hire regularly. You can schedule follow-up meetings or send reminders to make sure that they're staying on top of everything. This continuous feedback loop helps build rapport and gives your new hire the support they need to succeed from day one. I should also mention that if you're new to Oyster, you can try the platform for free. There's an exclusive free trial available through the first link below, with added bonuses that you won't find anywhere else. If you want to onboard new hires using Oyster and avoid the headache of traditional manual processes, this platform is the perfect solution. I highly recommend giving it a try with our exclusive offer. Remember, the link below gives you extended access at no cost. With Oyster, onboarding new hires is faster, easier, and more efficient than ever before. Whether you're handling one new employee or scaling to a global team, this platform helps you do it all with minimal hassle. So if you're looking to streamline your hiring and onboarding process with the latest technology, be sure to check out Oyster through the link below and take advantage of the extended free trial.